Hi, welcome. In this short guide, I'll show the three most useful statistical functions in Excel for business. Sum to add totals, average to find the mean, and count to tally numeric entries. By the end, you'll know how to use the AutoSum menu and how to type formulas yourself so you can work faster and with fewer errors. First, let's understand what each tool does. Sum adds every number in a range, so you use it to answer questions like, what is the total sales amount? Average finds the arithmetic mean, useful for questions like, what is the typical price of an item? Count counts how many cells contain numbers, which helps answer how many orders we receive. Remember, count only counts numbers, so if you try to count names or other text with count, it will return 0. If you want the easy way, use the AutoSum menu. Click the empty cell where you want the result, usually under your column of numbers. Go to the Home tab, find the editing group on the far right, and click the small arrow next to the AutoSum symbol, sigma. Excel will guess the range and show a moving dotted line, so if it looks right, press Enter. Typing functions manually is faster once you get used to it. All functions follow the same pattern, equal sign, then name a formula, then range or cell. For example, to get the average of numbers in C2 through C21, type average, C2 to C21, and press Enter. If the range contains blank cells or text, Excel ignores them for average. If a cell contains 0, that 0 is included in the calculate. To count numeric entries by typing, use each count range. For example, kcount D22 day 21 will tell you how many cells in column D between rows 2 and 21 contain numbers. Keep in mind, count will not count cells with text or symbols, only numbers. If you need to count text or any non-blank cells, use counta, which counts anything. A common beginner mistake is using count on a list of names and getting 0. For a list in A2 through A21, use each counta, A2 to A21, and that will count all text cells. A couple of quick practical notes. Function names aren't case sensitive, so average, C2 C21, works the same as average, C2 to C21. When Excel highlights the selected range with a dotted line during AutoSum, check that the highlighted area matches what you want before pressing Enter. That's the core you need to start using sum, average, and count confidently. These three tools cover most everyday tasks like totaling sales, finding typical values, and checking how many valid entries you have. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment and tell me what problem you'd like me to solve in the next video. Take care and bye.